have water.
Your water is all dirty.
No, it's not dirty. It's chocolatey. Tim, I took the rest of that pecan ice cream and over to
Really? Wow.
Is that a camera too?
yeah, video camera. Do you like it?
They just put a camera
Are you
in.
Skyping to your mom and dad?
No, he's just videotaping it. Here, nope. Do you want some more ice cream? How about we
Is
make
this
a small
spice
piece?
cake from scratch?
Yeah. Just the recipe that came in the pan.
Riley, do you like ice cream?
I like getting ice cream over the chair.
Hey, put up your dukes.
What up, good dude? Think like this?
Yeah, you're a baby.
I'm a big girl.
You're a big 1-year-old.
Really?
Number 1.
Yes. Did you eat your ice cream I gave you? It says good on your teeth. You should use that for all it's worth. I'm teething. I need ice cream.
Yeah, that's my
And Abby, how many birthdays are you?
Are you 3 years old?
3. Good. That's
She's
good.
mastered the. A lot of my niece has a hard time with.
So we should just say. No, they're not ready for
Oh,
anything.
4.
No.
5 and 4.
Going to
That's
school
very
at
good.
element.
She'll
Well,
tell
you
you whether
can't
it's
wait
going to be
to
5 or 4.
But Dan can't wait for it since he turns 15 and all the guys start hanging around.
Abby, use your fork,
A
please.
little more whipped cream on her plate.
Wipe
Use your napkin.
Yeah, wipe
Good
your hands.
girl.
Thank you.
Good girl.
You want me to get a wet something cloth?
Mom.
Silly.
Did you take it off?
Yeah, it's good body wash.
Nom nom nom.
Hey, now you can get them all dirty again. There you go.
You gotta watch that grandma, she's always washing
There you
somebody's
go.
face.
Keep it up.
You ought to see what happens when she tries it on grandma.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Look at you, Riley. She's all dirty. How about that?
She's still got a long ways to go to catch up with her Uncle Troy.
She's enjoying her birthday cake.
Yeah, the brownie mix with an extra egg is the way to go.
She's got the hang of it now.
Tim was
It's fine.